Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to blur faces in Wondershare Filmora. This can be a really useful tool if you want to protect someone's identity or if you are editing footage of a sensitive nature. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is import your footage into Wondershare Filmora. Simply click on the import button and select the video file you want to work with. Once you have imported your footage, drag it down to the timeline so you can start editing it. You will see your video appear on the left hand side of the screen. To add the blur effect to your footage, go to the Effect tab and select Utility. You will see the face off effect appear in the list. Click and drag this effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Now that you have added the blur effect, you will want to adjust the level of blur to make sure the face is completely blurred out. You can not only add the pixel effect, but you can also add some emojis on it. That's it, you have successfully blurred a face in Wondershare Filmora. This can be a really useful tool for protecting someone's identity or editing footage of a sensitive nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.